Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable touch during a guided access session on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, open up an app that you would like to use with guided access. Then triple click on the side button here, 1, 2, 3. Next, from the menu, tap on Guided Access. Then at the bottom here, tap on Options. Then tap on Touch. Tap on the Touch toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. If we switch it off, then we will not be able to access your screen while you start your Guided Access session. So here, if I disable it and then tap on Done, then tap on Start. Now put in the passcode. I'll put in the passcode again. And you can see during this session here, the screen is locked and I cannot use it. So this can be useful. For example, if you open up a video and you like to let someone watch the video, but you don't want them to mess around with the screen, you can lock the touch screen. And to end the guided access session, I can triple click on that, tap on guided access, and then I can put in the passcode. And then tap on End, or I can go into Options and then turn on Touch again. And this will allow me to resume guided access with the touch screen enabled. And that's it. Now I can go in here and end the session. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.